Good morning, students. So today our to start same chapter number 2, polynomials. The next topic, our new topic is remainder theorem. So before I start the remainder theorem, I explain we call this equation with polynomials how to divide. So question is divide polynomials of x is s plus 3s square minus 1 divided by g of x is equal to 1 plus x. Means this is dividend and this is divisor. Okay. So just we recall, just we arrange this equation by order wise, by power wise. Okay. So 3s square plus x minus 1. 3s square plus x minus 1. Now this is the divisor. We divide by x plus 1. Okay. So x plus, we divide by x plus 1. So x plus 1 we multiply by which we see the first term. First term is 3s square. How many terms here? 3 terms. 3s square plus x minus 1. Okay, now we divide by x plus 1. This polynomial divided by x plus 1. So first of all, x plus 1 we multiply by which term? Or so then we get the 3s square. Means हमको ये पहला टर्म आना चाहिए. हमको s plus 1 को ऐसे टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करना है जिससे हमको ये टर्म मिलना चाहिए 3s square. Okay, so s plus 1 we multiply by 3x. Okay, suppose multiply 3x. So 3x plus 1 into 1, so 3x, and 3x into x, 3x square. Okay, so 3x, there are 3x square plus 3x minus, this is plus change to minus. Okay, now this is cut, 3x square minus 3x square cut, and plus 1 minus 3, it is minus 2x, minus 1. Now minus 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. So now x plus 1 again we multiply by which term? जिससे हमको ये मिलना चाहिए minus 2x. Okay, so x plus 1 we multiply by now minus 2 suppose. Okay, so minus 2 into 1, so minus 2 minus 2 into x minus 2x. Okay, so minus 2 minus 2x minus 2 minus sign into change plus, minus sign change into plus. Okay, cancel. Now 2 minus 1 is 1, so remainder is 1. Okay, now we check. Yes, now we recall our remainder theorem. Remainder theorem said, let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and let be any real numbers. P of x is divided by the linear polynomials. As minus x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Means this remainder is always less than 2 divisor. Okay, this remainder always less than 2 divisor. Means we say that remainder is always less than 2 g of x. Okay. Now suppose remainder theorem means we find the only remainder by not a division method, another method, only find the remainder. So same question, x plus 1. So if we find the first of all 0 of this x, so x plus 1 equal to 0. This is remainder theorem. Okay, this is remainder theorem. Now we solve here. This question by dividend theorem. So x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 1. This is dividend theorem. So x value is minus 1. Now our equation, point equation is 3x square plus x minus 1. Now means 1 x value is minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 means we put x value minus 1 in this polynomials. Now we'll find out the answer value. Minus 1 square is 1. 1 into 3, 3. Minus 1, minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 6. Okay? These both values are same. Here, this is called remainder theorem. This is remainder theorem. This is, we solve by remainder theorem. Okay? And this is division method. This is division method. We divide this polynomial equation by g of x and find the quotient also and find the remainder also. But this is only remainder theorem and we find only remainder. Please copy this one. So here students, we saw the next one more example question. 3x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. You see this polynomial equation is not in proper order. So we write in a proper order. Means this cube is there, the square is not given. So write plus 0x square minus 3x minus 1. Okay. So x minus 1 we multiply which term? Then we got 3x raised to power 4. So x minus 1 को ऐसे terms multiply करना है जिससे को 3x raised to power 4 मिल जाए. So we multiply by 3x cube. So minus 3x cube. 3x cube into x. 3x raised to power 4. So we multiply by 3x cube. So 3x raised to power 4 minus 3x cube minus, this is also minus sign came into plus. This is cancelled. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is the minus x cube. Okay. And plus 0y square minus 3x minus 1. Now multiply x minus 1 by x square minus x square. So minus plus s square and here s minus x cube. So we got minus s cube minus s square minus s cube plus s square, sign change, plus change into minus, cancel. So it is 0 minus 1 minus x square minus 3x minus 1. Now again x minus 1 we multiply by, we want minus s square, so we multiply by minus x. So minus plus x into x square minus s square. So minus s square minus plus x minus sign, minus change into plus change into minus. So minus 3 minus 1 minus 4x minus 1. Again x minus 1 we multiply by, we want minus 4x. Okay. So minus 4 minus plus 4 minus 4x. Minus 4x plus 4 minus minus into plus, plus changing to minus, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, so this is the remainder. Now, if we find the same question by remainder theorem, so g of is given x minus 1. So what is the value of x? X equal to 1. Okay, so p of x 3x raised to power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. Now what to do? We put the value of x 1. 1 raised to 4 minus 4 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 1. So 1 raised to 4, 1, 3, 1, 4 and 4 minus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5.